Check it out, guys. Look at that. I told you I'd be back with another video, right? Inner fenders. So let's get the unboxing and the install video. Hey guys, what's up? Back again. TNA Adventures. Doing another product review. As of now, you've seen the final install, a quick little video of the final product, but now I'm going to give you an unboxing of what actually we put on the vehicle. So these are OEDRO inner fenders. You can see it's boxed really well. Pretty protected, everything's wrapped real good. And I'm not going to put you through the boring thing of unwrapping these and everything, so let me get them all out, spread out, and then I'll be back in a second. All right guys, look, it's out. So all unboxed for you, the magic of cinema. So this one here's the driver's side, this is the passenger side. They already come with the red insert, pop riveted in. So if you wanted, you probably drill these out and take this off, and you could paint it a different color or whatever, but right now they're attached already for you. Hardware kit, all your bolts, washers, nuts, Allen wrenches for you. It's got 2 Z brackets that go in the back here. I'll touch on that when I do the install. But before you put these on your vehicle, on your Jeep, you're gonna put these together. All right, so I'm gonna get the stuff out and get ready and just assemble these real quick, and I'll be right back. All right guys, so I'm gonna show you real quick how to put these together. Driver's side over here, passenger side over here. You're gonna need 4 M6 bolts, locks, and washers. And the way to tell you got it together right with these secondary pieces is the flanges will be facing the same way back here. One won't be opposite, but they'll be the same direction, facing the same way. I got this one part together already. There's nuts on the back of these pieces there. So what I do is I'll put it in and I'll leave it loose, but I'll snug it up, you know, so it's staying together, but you leave it a little bit loose so you have a little bit of play when you get it on your Jeep. A little bit there. And you can tell when it's sitting down flat on the ground or the table or whatever you're working with right now that it kind of goes up, because that's going to be the contour of your wheel well. So that should be it. This Z bracket, like I said earlier, we will figure out how that exactly goes on the Jeep out there, because it's different directions. I'm not exactly sure right at this point. But so yeah, so they're real easy to put together. So I'll finish this one up and I will see you guys out at the Jeep. Let's go. All right guys, so we're back out the Jeep now, and you can see the driver's side inner fenders all put together. Everything's ready to go. Here's that bracket right here that you put on. Just bolt it on. It's got nuts welded to the back of it right here. And all you got to do is put that on, and that goes on this bolt right here for your fender. You just take your nut off the back of this, put that up on there, and put the same bolt for your fender back in there, and it's good to go. For the mounting bolts here, the 3 here, I just used my stock bolts that I took off the inner fender with. It's easier. I had them in there anyway, so I'm just going to use those. 1 M6 is going to go up here on a body mount clip. And that should be about it. Let's get her on there. Slides in easy. Make sure you get this back clip, this bracket here in first. Lift her up. Make sure you get this one tucked right down underneath this fender here. There you go. Then I'll put that M6 in here, hold her in place. That one's there. And I will take this fender bolt, put her in there, get it started. 9/16 socket just for that one. The rest are all 10mm. Okay, that's started there. You can get the rest of these in here started. 1, 2, 3. 9/16 to finish tightening this one here. Tight. Small Allen wrench that comes with the kit for this. You can use all your the hardware that comes with the kit too for all these bolts if you want, but I just figured I might as well use my stock ones. I'll keep them, they'll be there for me, I won't lose them. Tighten that up. There's that. Make sure these are tight. 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 There you go. It looks super clean. Everything's hidden. The red accent there works great with my Jeep because all my Jeep accents are red. As you can see, handles, interior is all red. You look at that, that's all red in there. So that's it. All right guys, so we're all done. Fenders are in. And like I said, if you like the video, like the install, unboxing, give it a like, thumbs up. And until next time, TNA Adventures, we'll see you. Thanks.